So we just saw like 2 to 4 line decoder, 2 to 4 line decoder, then we saw 3 to 8 line decoder. Now we will go with the 1 of 16 decoder. This is not 1 to 16 decoder, this is 1 of 16 decoder, remember. So there is a difference between 1 to 16 decoder and 1 of 16 decoder. So this we will be having 4 control inputs and 16 outputs, 0 to 15. Okay, so one of the outputs will be selected, so they have specified 1 of 16 decoder. So we have 4 control inputs. This can also be called as 4 to 16 decoder. 4 to 16 decoder, this can be called like this also. So in this textbook they have referred 1 of 16 decoder. 1 of the 16 outputs will be active. This is what. So we will be having 4 control inputs. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So 16 decoders. The same way they have written the circuit as I just shown in the previous video. We will be having 4 control inputs. Based on the control inputs, one of the data output will be selected as an active. This is 1 of 16 decoder. Okay. So they have not given a table for this circuit diagram. So as we just wrote the table for 2 to 4 line decoder and 3 to 8 line decoder, you are supposed to write a table for 4 to 16 decoder or 1 of the 16 decoder in the similar way. Okay. So the next thing is BCD to decimal decoders. So we call them as BCD to decimal decoder. This is important. What is the full form of full abbreviation of BCD? Look at here. BCD abbreviation is binary coded decimal. So whichever the numbers decimals appear, those are coded to binary. Like 4 to 9 is a number, is a decimal number, right? So they are coded like 0100, 20010, 9100. Similarly 8963, they are converted to binary numbers. So this is why they call it as a binary coded decimal. So that is what a full form of BCD to decimal decoders. BCD to decimal. What is the full form of BCD? BCD is nothing but binary coded decimal. So decimal numbers are converted to binary numbers like this. So we call it as binary to decimal decoders. Okay. So in your examination they will ask you to explain BCD to decimal decoder. So BCD to decimal decoder is something which will be having 4 control inputs and 0 to 9 outputs. So we have 4 control inputs and 0 to 9 means total 10 data outputs. So this can also be called as 1 of 10 decoder. Just with 1 of 10 decoder. This is here is 1 of 16 decoder. We had 4 control inputs and 16 data outputs. So 2 to the power of 4 is nothing but 16. So as I just told, 4 control inputs, 16 data outputs. That is fine. But here in the previous video, I told 2 to 4 line decoder. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So 2 control inputs, 4 data outputs. That is right. And 3 to 8 decoder. 3 control inputs, 8 data outputs. That's also right. But why here we have 4 data inputs, but 4 control inputs, but only 10 data inputs. 2 to the power of 4 is 16, but we have only 10, 0 to 9. Because this is BCD to decimal. You need to remember, look at here, look at this point. One final point should be considered. Notice that BCD digits are from 0000 to 1001. 1001 is nothing but 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. All combinations above this means after 9 like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 cannot exist in BCD code because the highest decimal digit being coded is 9. In case of decimal digit, the highest decimal digit that can be coded is 9. So when they ask you to explain like BCD to decimal decoder, you are supposed to write this circuit diagram ABCD to like this 4 control inputs and 10 data outputs. Okay, this is basic circuit diagram. So actually to perform this operation we will be having some ICs like this 7445 each, and so this IC is going to perform this operation 7445. But in your prescribed textbook, so they have given an explanation for 7442. When they have given explanation for 7442, always give priority for your prescribed textbook, because the question paper setter will be setting the questions based on your prescribed textbook. So this circuit diagram looks complex, but this is same as this one which I just told. This is same as this one. This circuit diagram and this circuit diagram is one and the same, but only one difference. At the end of these AND gates we don't have bubbles, so we don't have bubbles here, but here we have bubbles. So this this circuit diagram is of working up of 7445 IC. This IC is going to work as they are given in this circuit diagram, so we don't have bubbles here, but this circuit diagram is going to work as 7442. So what is the difference? 7445 and 7442. So we only one difference is the output is not inverted here in case of 7445, but in case of 7442 the outputs are inverted. So whenever the look at here, 0000 means 0 has to be active, like it is supposed to be 1 and remaining all supposed to be zeros, but here it is reverse, because whenever the output comes it is getting inverted, because we added a bubble here, because this particular IC is going to work like this. So the output is inverted in case of 7442. So look at here, bubbles. So whenever you give the control inputs like 00000 ABCD 0 is supposed to be high and remaining all supposed to be low, right? But here 0 is low, remaining all are high. Getting the difference? Why it is getting reversed? Because we added a bubble, it is getting inverted. So when we give the inputs like 0001, 1 is supposed to be one is supposed to be high, remaining supposed to be low, but here it is reverse, 1 is low, remaining all are high, just because of the bubble. So this particular IC is going to work like this, 7442. Okay, but if you go with 7445, we don't have bubble here. So look at here, when all are low means 00000, why not is 0, remaining is everything is high, the same as this. Clear? This is BCD to decimal decoder. You need to remember, in the previous year examination they have asked you to write this. You need to write the circuit diagram, you need to write the table, you need to write this IC number, IC pin configuration. In your previous year exam they have asked this for 6 marks, 6 or 8 marks, I don't remember properly. Okay, so this is one problem which you can notice, this one particular problem has appeared in so many previous year examinations, like around 5 to 6 times this problem has been asked in your previous year examination. Look at this question, show how using, so they have written, someone has written very important, look at here, show how using 3 to 8 decoder and multi-input OR gates following Boolean expression can be realized simultaneously. Show how using 3 to 8 decoder and a multi-input OR gates following Boolean expressions. These are the following Boolean expressions. We have 4 expressions, F1, F2, F3. We have 3 expressions. Following Boolean expressions can be realized simultaneously. You need to realize all the 3 expressions simultaneously. How it can be done? By using 3 to 8 decoder. So when it comes to 3 to 8 decoder, you need to write 3 control inputs, 8 data outputs like A bar, B bar, C bar, A bar, B bar, C, A bar, like 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. So then look at this F1 function. We have added 3 OR gates, just OR gates. Okay, so F1 ABC contains 0 4 6, right? So I taken connection from 0 4 and 6. This is 0 5, right? 0 and 5. This is 1 2 3 7, right? 1 2, 3, 7 connections. That's it. This one particular problem has been asked around 5 to 6 times in the previous year examinations. I don't know what is I don't find any complexity with this problem, but there are so many times. I think this is up to decoders. Okay, let me go with the encoders now.